This is a Loch Ness puzzle, and the goal of it is to fit all 9 parts inside the frame. This puzzle was designed by Haim Hirsch and made by Nothing Yet Designs. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And as I mentioned, you have to fit all 9 parts inside the frame, but the frame has some restrictions, like you have to use only these 2 openings to fit parts inside, and it may look easy at a first glance, but it is actually quite a difficult puzzle. If you like the Loch Ness puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and hit the subscribe button if you would like to access more videos from Puzzle Master. The Loch Ness puzzle has 9 parts, and if you try to put them inside, you will find that you can put one piece, then another piece. Maybe I can even flip it to put it a little bit neatly inside, like this one. Then you can add a little bit more parts and more parts, but you will end up with either no possible way to fit the puzzle since the openings will be covered, or you will find that it is not enough space for all of them. Like there are 4 inside, and I have already problems fitting more parts into the frame. There is 1 more, but again, it doesn't seem possible to fit more parts, and there are 3 parts left. So it will be quite an interesting puzzle since it requires some tricky rotations, and you have to find the correct spot for each and every piece and find the correct sequence of putting parts inside the frame to solve the puzzle. If you like the Loch Ness puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca.